Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Yasser and today I'm going to basically be trying out this new head wrap that I got. This is the crochet style that I did. This is basically the end of the third week. Sorry if you can hear fireworks. It's like Halloween here and people are like going crazy with fireworks, but basically this is like the third week and I'm just going to remove them. I felt actually quite sick on this day when I filmed, and I was basically just trying to get myself out of the funky mood, and I figured filming a video makes me feel good, so I figured I'd do that to cheer myself up. But yeah, so this is the head wrap. This is how it looks like. I got it from Michelin Touch. I'm going to leave it linked down below. I bought it. It wasn't sent to me or anything like that. Yeah, as you can hear, the alarm is going off somewhere, but basically it's Halloween here. So anyways, the head wrap is so beautiful. Like, look at it. I love the colors. You guys know that I love colors, and red and yellow. Oh my god, it's everything. Seriously, everything. So I'm just going to tie my hair into a high bun, and then I'm going to start wrapping the headband. I basically just played with it and tried about 6 different styles, so I'm going to shut up and let you guys watch it. It's a lovely head wraps, and they have other styles as well if you want to check them out. And I always feel like I look so dressed up when I do like head wraps and stuff, so I'm always kind of like wary to wear them, but I love this so much that I'm totally going to wear it. Like, oh my god, I've been wearing it quite a lot and I'm going to continue wearing it until I get my fill out of it. But yeah, so you guys keep watching. I hope you enjoy this. I hope I see you guys next time. I'll be uploading my next video on Monday, so make sure you tune in for that. If you haven't yet, guys, make sure you subscribe, and if you have subscribed, thank you for being fabulous. Please share the video with anyone you think might be interested. Other than that, guys, have a lovely weekend, and I'll see you guys on Monday. Bye.
I said sorry for the wait. Been a lot on my plate for being great. Been popping it, it's not a debate. Been plotting on ways to align with the greats and find the opposite of Hollywood and someone to date. She got 100 followers and turned love and hip hop. Just stop. I saw you yesterday at the thrift shop. We all on the way to stay afloat when the ship stop. Wish income could instantly appear in my inbox. Still, I'm getting mine right. Time is finite. That's why I find height inside the limelight. Bright, we gon' shine this flight. We go high. Alright, you know I beside me's Joe High. And hey.
Yes, indeed, we got everything you need. Here and there and in between.
We got you.
For the love, for the pain. Talking anything you think. Promise everything is free. We got you.
I've been up all night, cause who needs sleep when you got headphones and a unique beat? Well, by the time night turns to sunlight, I'll be on to the next vibe I find right. In hindsight, I'm glad that I become this. I done ran out of Joneses to keep up with. People see me on the internet and think I'm it. If that's so, when the hell can I become rich? I mean, I'm half joking, also half hoping. Half these setbacks I've had turn to whole wins. From the summer to the winter's cold wind, I know we gon' get it in the end. Till then,
yes indeed, we got everything you need. Here and there and in between.
We got you.
For the love, for the pain. Talking anything you think. Promise everything is free.
We got you. Yeah. I said sorry for the wait. Been a lot on my plate for being great. Been popping it, it's not a debate. Been plotting on ways to align with the greats and find the opposite of Hollywood and someone to date. She got 100 followers and turned love in hip hop. Just stop. I saw you yesterday at the thrift shop. We all on the way to stay afloat when the ship stop. Wish income could instantly appear in my